start the video off. But what's good, YouTube? It's your boy S3Racky coming back to you guys with another POV video. As y'all can see, people are driving like fools already. But yeah, coming back to y'all boys and girls with another POV video, man. We actually have no destination, but I'm finna go pick my brother up, so I guess that's our destination. But yeah, right now I'm finna be strolling through the city. We're going through like Panthersville, Candler area, basically Decatur, so you say. That's what people call it. But how y'all been? Oh yeah, thank y'all so much for 4K, bro. Seriously, y'all don't know how much that means to me. We reached another goal. 4K crossed off the list. Y'all been smashing that like button, bro, and y'all been showing a lot of support on the video, so I really thank all of y'all for doing that. Whoever you are, whoever contributed it in any way, from a view to a like, it doesn't matter to me. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. But yeah, we're on the way to pick up my brother right now. He's like past the city, so it's gonna be a little good POV drive. I don't know if I want to go too crazy right here. It also just rained as well. Oh yeah. How do y'all feel about the Ryan Garcia fight? Devin Haney and Ryan Garcia. Not gonna lie, I had my bets on that boy Ryan, man. That's just me though. I had my bets on that boy Ryan. That boy Ryan, I figured he was way too fast for Haney, so I'm like, bruh, I don't know, bro. He got it. He knocked him down 3 times, bro. That jump was crazy, but yeah, that happened yesterday. That was pretty insane. But yeah, let me know what y'all think about the fight down in the comments below. Some people were saying that boy Ryan was using some PECs. Yeah, I don't know though. I doubt it. But he was overweight. But that don't even matter anyways. 3 extra pounds. Come on out, bro. Like, I don't know. He's just faster. He was just better. The speed makes up for his skill, you know. But yeah, that's my take on that. Yeah, we're coming up on flat shoals right now. Dang, that Camaro going crazy. I'm going 90. Why does this road feel like this? This road feels crazy, bro. I don't know. It don't feel good, I'll tell you that much. Maybe it's just this lane. Let me get over here. That lane was cruised. Yeah, we're not even in sport either, by the way. We just on some chill stuff, bro. We vibing out right now. Vibing out. And it's just a lot of decent traffic, not a lot. A sunny day. It rained this morning, it rained last night. It was thunderstorming too, by the way. I was coming from my boy Sandstorm spot, watched the fight over there, and out of nowhere it just started pouring. Yeah, that's pretty much what happened, but yeah. Let's see. We're gonna do this. We're gonna hit him with one of these. Damn, I was not supposed to get in this lane. I was supposed to stay over there. I didn't do it fast enough though. It's alright. We just... Wait, I'm trying to be careful over here, bro. Cause there do be a lot of police sitting on these exits, bro. Like, everywhere, for real, for real. What's this, like a Camry behind me? What is going on? Oh boy, a Corolla. I'm not racing with you, bro. Oh nah. That boy caught me when I was going 1-something, 10, 1-0, literally. I don't race with you slow cars, bro. Cause y'all be ready to crash out. Y'all don't got nothing to lose. y'all got something to lose, but just not as much as me, bruh. And some of y'all don't be having insurance and stuff, so I refuse to race one of y'all, or even drive next to y'all, for real. Not drive next to y'all, but cruise with y'all, you know? I get what I'm saying. Alright, up here is where I need to chill at. Cause they usually be on that ramp right there, or that ramp back there. Gucci though. It's a sunny day. Oh yeah, I forgot to ask y'all, how have y'all days been? Have y'all days been good or bad? If it's bad, think about what made it bad and reflect. And if it was your doing, then don't do it again. And if it was someone else's doing, then don't allow them to do it again. Literally all I can say, but hopefully my video is cheering you up. I don't know, it's pretty chill right now though. We chilling. We big chilling. I need to get over here. Range Rover sports truck. Seen a M340i 2023 version lowered. Not gonna lie, those cars lowered look tough, and he had the X drive too. All he needs is a tune. He threw there. He threw the gate. A tune. Didn't I come from over here last time, bro? I'll get some pops for y'all. Cars over there. Bro, we ended up, it was me and Sandstorm and a few other guys. We were chilling, and we noticed that Sandstorm's inmate, his burbles are a lot like deeper than my burbles, and my burbles are a lot louder than his. So I don't know if this car has like a downpipe on it or something or what, but his burbles are like not deep at all. I don't know what that's about, but I don't know. Maybe it was because my car was hotter than his, but I don't know. It was like the same amount, nearly, but it wasn't that much of a difference. It's basically what I'm trying to say. And his burbles were a lot lower than mine's, so I don't really know what that was about, or I don't know if the inmate has like a different exhaust setup. I don't know, bro, but it just wasn't as loud from what we heard, of course. Yeah, that's pretty much how that went. Yesterday was fun, man. We had some fun watching the Ryan Garcia fight and the other fights in front of it. It was pretty funny, to be honest. Get through there. Get through there like so. This guy really just tried to cut me off. Buddy, buddy, buddy. Do you know my name, buddy? Shifty, buddy. You can't do us like that, buddy. You may be able to do them like that, buddy, but you're not going to do that to us. Not us. No, sir. No way. I think I just missed my turn, too. Wait. Yeah. I definitely just missed my turn. Wait. Let me me see if I can get to it from over here. I should be able to get off over here because I definitely missed my turn. Jeez. I hate missing exits, bro. And then this one is backed up too. Like, come on now, dude. Get it together, folks. Oh yeah, fix these roads movement. I literally forgot. Fix these roads movement. I forgot to mention. Yeah, I'll get these roads together, Georgia. Tesla. I'm gonna get off right here because I already missed my exit and I'm pretty far from where I need to be. Let's see. I had an important phone call to attend to, but we're back, as you guys can see. But I don't even know. Like I'm lost, kinda. I'm gonna just take a turn on the street because I know I passed it. We're just gonna go down the street. Yeah. My car isn't popping right now. I don't know why. There we go. I just had to time it properly. You have stop sign. You have stop sign. Four-way. Woo. Got the train passing over us and stuff. But yeah, guys, I think I'm gonna end the video here. I'm almost to my destination, but if y'all like the video, make sure to drop a like, comment down below for interacting with me, and don't forget to smash the subscribe button. I interact with my commenters back. I'm a small channel, so I'll do the best I can, you know. But yeah, that'll wrap it up for this video. If you're having a bad day, hopefully my video cheered you up or got you in better spirits. If not, I don't know, I tried my best. But yeah, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.